mga bro. Yeah, it's late in the morning because I need to wake up, bro. I'm so early, wait. Yeah, we go here at the house with my friends. Sorry. May kape pa kami kasi. Luto kami kape. Kape.
Uno coral here, coral.
Ha?
Coral, style.
Yeah, Habakural.
Habakural.
Yeah.
Gab, can you speak Tagalog? Yes, speak Tagalog. I'm so tired of English.
So ito ang ating the master. Ano? Oh.
Get out.
Hi ka muna dyan.
Huwag mo.
So guys, let's go. Sabi nga ni Master Ili, swerte nga ba daw yung banana? Malalaman natin kung meron talaga.
Hey guys, we should
guys. First catch, ito. Grabe.
Gago pay, ano pay? Buaya?
Uy, kuda. Kuda, ito.
Kuda?
Uy, kuda. Uy,
Uy, gago kuda nga. Ay, hindi.
Tikidok.
Ito.
Oh!
Awan sila, Je. Saan?
Oh, nice one. Woo! Guys! Grabe, first catch, guys. Woo! Laki bro. Grabe. Woo!
Sarap par, nagsisit ako, nakawala pa. Pagkasarap par.
Uy! Ang laki, tol. Uy, my godness. Oh!
Barakuda yan par.
Let's go! Oh!
Nakachamba ng spot ang mga po.
Oh! Lakas! Oh my god! Oh my godness, bro! Uy, laki tol! Uy! Ang laki! Double kill.
Huli na, nasabit pa, di, nakawala. Wala na, kaluwag na ng truck ko. Uy, siya yan. Ang inasarap siguro ito. Uy, sambat na.
Ito na nga, nagbalit ako ng masarili na ano. Lapit tapon ko ah. Kaso nakakapagod. Oh! Ito na. Strike. Uy, lakas. Hindi, masarili. Replika. Puta, ano, laki. Ang laki. Uy. Ay, ano? Kito. Uy, lakas. Ay, gagawin, laki. Sabitan lang.
Pangina ka, wag mo itaan dito sa akin na.
Uy.
Utang mo, ito naman par.
Ha?
Ito na, goy.
Wait lang.
Bigyan mo ako, goy.
Oh, ito na.
May itaan dito, ha? Hindi na, bay.
Ano? Kalaki.
Wala ka dun, eh.
Ha?
Magsisit pa ako, putak ina.
Wala.
Uy, putak na pagkain.
Guys! Ang laki!
Uy, hindi ka ba magpaaga sa sunod? Good,
Pa. Yes! Yeah! Oh! This one is good! Oh my goodness! Alright. Alright, it's good, it's good, it's good, it's good one, it's good, it's good one, it's a good one. Oh! It's big now. It's big though, it's big though. Alright. Alright, alright, alright. It's big now, it's big now. Alright. It's big now, it's big now. Hey guys.
Yeah.
It's big though, it's big though. All good, all good. All good. Wala ko huli na. Oh yeah. Okay. Tribali uli. Tribali. Pero malit. Ay, hindi. Labo. Alright. Oh. Labo guys. Thank you, Lord. Malaki pati. Uy! Uy, gai! Uy! 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 Grabe! Uy! Uy! Uy, wow! Woo! Hey! Grabe, may mamamala pre, yan ito. Atras na Gar. Okay, beauty siya ng laban. Uy! 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 Ay, malaki. Saan niya mo? Ito. Okay, magpato ko dun. Wow! Pagkakin, laki! Alright! Oh!
Very good. You like it?
Ha? Maybe later. It's fishing update today. With my friends. Gabriel. It's very nice catch fish.
Very nice catch fishing. Today is the day with best fish.
Yeah.
Most fish. A lot of fish.
Yeah, it's a good day.
We are not
Fishing.
good day.
So this is our friend Master Rene, Master AJ. It's harvest time. Yeah.
This time.
It's harvest time.
Guys,
Woo! Like this one.
hindi na ako gagalitan ng aking
Hey!
kamukha mo to. Bots, maingit ka, bots.
It's a good tribalis right there.
It's beautiful fish. I'm going home na.
It's good tribali, man. Big one.
Kanain kita ngayon.
Good size, mga bro.
Ito ko yun, pinakamalaki.
Woo! Thank you, Lord.